Do you know what is wrong with this child? Well, this is called croup cough, commonly known as barking cough. Croup is actually a viral infection of the vocal cords and the trachea. Children with croup have a distinctive barking cough and will make a harsh sound, known as stridor, when they breathe in. A single dose of an oral corticosteroid medication, called dexamethasone or prednisolone, will usually also be prescribed to help reduce the swelling in the throat. If your child has breathing problems, they may need hospital treatment, such as adrenaline and oxygen through a mask.